Well, good afternoon, friends. We are going to stick us some pork chops in this crock pot right here for tonight for dinner. Then I'm going to get busy doing some other things around the house. But I wanted to jump on here and show you all how I do one way I do my crock pot pork chops. Love shake and bake. I don't know if you all do or not, but I just love shake and bake. So I've got this shake and bake, or it's not shake and bake, it's store brand coating mix for pork. And I don't shake mine, I roll them in a bowl. Let's see if I can get this open. Dang it. Right. And I just take my pork loin chops. I've got 4. There's not but 3 of us here to eat, so I'm not going to try to cook extra. Got me an egg. And I got a little bit of buttermilk. I'm going to put a little bit of buttermilk in my egg. Just a little bit there. Y'all didn't see that because I've got you turned up. Let me see if I can bring you down here and turn you down. You can kind of see what I'm doing. I'm going to just whip this up here. Oops. My egg and my buttermilk. I'm just whipping it together. I'll probably put 1/4 of a cup of buttermilk in there. I don't know. I don't measure. Then I'm going to take my pork chops just like this. Let me throw this over here in the sink. One of my little babies was behind me and I stepped on her. She's not such a little baby. There goes my dryer. See, I told y'all I'm doing all kinds of things today. I got to get my clothes out of the dryer. All right. And I just dip it in there like that right there and get it coated good. And then I dip it over here in my shake and bake. See, just like this. And I want to get the edges good too. Because we love this coating, don't we? We do. We love it. Then I'm going to put it right here in my crock pot. All right, we're going to do all these this way. Just coat them good with that milk and egg and buttermilk. You can probably hear Andy over here. He's got the softball game going. He is so ready for softball and baseball. It's not quite time yet, but almost. And he is so excited. I'm going to see if I can turn y'all up just a little bit so you can see me and what I'm doing here. Then I'm just laying them in this crock pot. And I've got me a crock pot liner in there because the easier to clean up, the better as far as I'm concerned anyway. Oh yeah, he's got his softball going here. He loves softball. When he was in school, his teacher was softball coach, and I swear those softball girls just loved him, and he loved them. So, and we have a fondness for our high school softball team. And some of the girls that have played in the past and graduated and gone on and so forth, they still hold a special place for us. Because they really made him feel special. They sure did. Alright, I'm turning y'all around this way just a little bit. Can y'all see down in the crock pot there? See that? Just got 4 pork chops in there. But what I like to do is sprinkle this on the top. Whatever I have left, just a little bit extra. Just like that. And then I'm going to put just a little bit of water. It's about 1/2 cup of water because I just don't want them to dry out. Let's put it right there in the middle. I didn't even use all of it, about 1/4 of a cup of water. Turn it on high for 4 hours. And we're going to see how they do. I'm so excited. We haven't had pork chops like this in a while. These pork chops were laying on the top, and I thought, we'll have pork chops. I thought, how do I want to fix them? Do I want to put them in the air fryer? How do I want to do them? And then I saw my handy dandy shake and bake and went, I'll do that, stick them in the crock pot. So this will be our supper. I'll fix us a potato or some rice or maybe macaroni and cheese. and cut us up a salad. That'll be it. So I'll bring y'all back and show you what they look like in about 4 hours, all right? Okay, we're back. I wanted to show you all our final pork chops. They've been in the crock pot. They didn't take 4 hours, about 3.5. But here they are. I've sauteed up some mushrooms and put on them. And they are so tender. Let me grab a fork and you'll see how tender they are. Look here. They just fall apart. Just like that. That's going to be our supper. I've got us a salad fixed. And I've got us a big bowl of macaroni and cheese. That's what we're going to have. And I will see you all in the next one. But remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. You need to be notified. I was trying to post every day, but then I went to every other day. Now it's been 2 or 3 days. So I'm going to try to do about 3 or 4 a week if I can. Life gets in the way sometimes, and you just don't get done what you intend to get done, okay? So just remember, like the videos. Please, 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 please watch them to the end. I try to make them short so I don't lose you. I don't try to make these long, hour or 2 long videos because people aren't going to watch that to the end. So I try to keep them short and sweet so you will watch to the end. And remember to turn on your notifications and please subscribe. It helps me tremendously to have subscribers and for you to watch it all the way to the end. It's really a help. So I'm going to leave you with that for now, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.